Hello everyone, welcome back to Ashu and
Adya.
in today's video let's get to know more about the flowers, the beautiful ones, the colorful ones and the fragrantful flowers found in our nature, and hence we name this video as Fragrant Flowers. This is Ashu
And this is Adya.
Without any further ado, let's get to know about these beautiful fragrantful flowers. By seeing this picture, you all have guessed the flowers, right?
Yes.
These flowers are called roses. Roses are available to us in different colors like white, yellow, pink, and the common color of roses are red, as you can see in the picture. And these flowers are used for various purposes. By seeing this picture, this also you might have seen in your house when there's puja or any festival. Yes, these are marigold flowers. We use marigold flowers for pujas for the gods on festivals. By seeing this picture, you all have guessed it. I know that. Lotus. This flower is called lotus and it is our national flower. You all might have guessed this flower also. This flower is called hibiscus.
Hibiscus is also called as China rose. You might have guessed this picture also.
But this is a little bit hard, so let's reveal it.
Lily of the valley
Is known for its delicate white and it blossoms with a sweet scent. This flower which I have displayed is also a little bit hard to identify. This flower is called hyacinth. The smell of hyacinth develops as and when the flower blooms. The beautiful lavender. The lavender essential oil is one of the most popular and versatile essential oils used in aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is related to smell. This flower is called gardenia. Gardenia is a genus of flowering plants in the coffee family. The beautiful white and also available in different colored flowers are jasmine. Jasmine is a genus of shrubs and vines in the olive family. It contains around 200 species native to tropic and warm temperate regions of Eurasia. As you can see, the beautiful color and the 5 petals of these flowers are so beautiful, and they are mostly available in white color. These beautiful bud kind of flowers are called tulip.
These tulip flowers can be used to replace onions in many recipes and are even used to make wine.
These tulip flowers represent the same quality of an onion and hence are used in different dishes, and it also is used to make a drink called wine. This yellow and white combination of this flower is called the daffodil. Yes, you guessed it right. The bulb, leaf and flower are used to make medicines. Wow, this is so great. People take daffodil for whooping cough, cold and asthma. They also take it to cause vomiting. These colorful flowers are called lily. Lily is widely used to make different fragrances in perfumes. The perfumes which our mothers use are mostly made from this fragrantful flower called lily. These flowers which are available are called iris. Today, iris essential oil from flowers sometimes used in aromatherapy. As I've explained, aromatherapy is something related to smell as sedative medicine. These dried rhizomes are also given to whole babies to help in teething and for flavor and color. These flowers are called chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum has been used for hundreds of years in Chinese medicine to treat different problems. As a beverage, chrysanthemum is very popular as a summertime tea in southern China. Not only these flowers shown today in this PPT, there are many different beautiful fragrantful flowers in the nature. Bye bye, thank you all.
Thank you.
Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel Ashu and Radhya. And if you liked it, please share it to your friends and spread knowledge of these beautiful flowers found in the nature. Thank you all.
Thank you.